Hi everybody, Miss Bangert here, just another weekly update. We are rounding the corner for cycle 4, which ends tomorrow, September 22nd, and that's when your final assignments for Unit 1 are going to be due. At this point, we've done lessons 1 through 9, plus 3 quizzes. There was also a lesson 5 activity in there, and then we did our practice test and our unit test that was assigned to you on Friday and is due tomorrow at midnight. Keep in mind you need to do all the lessons and quizzes before you attempt those practice tests and the unit test. And then on Wednesday, we will get started with cycle 5, and that will take us through September 29th. That will begin Unit 2 in Schools PLP. I want to show you a couple different things, and I'm actually just going to turn my screen here and show you on Blackboard. You are going to be having access to all the same things that you normally would, all of these lesson folders. So these are all lessons 1 through 6, and in every single cycle, the lessons are there. So this is the lesson cycle that we're working on right now. And then I've already put in at least some folders for the next upcoming lessons, units 2, lessons 1 and 2. But what I wanted to show you is that I'm also making sure to include a lot of helpful videos. If you have a particular question or struggle within the unit itself, within the lesson, there are some videos here about those particular items. And then within each lesson folder as well, I've added a PDF of the lesson from PLP, directly from PLP. It'll look very familiar when you pull it up. I just wanted you guys to have a printable copy of what it is that you're working on so that you can essentially do open note quizzes and tests. Please be aware that the questions are not always going to be the same from what you see on here versus what you see on your own PLP. The lesson parts, the readings and that kind of thing, those will be the same, but the questions themselves vary sometimes from student to student and from class to class, so that won't always necessarily be the case. I also wanted to show you on Blackboard, and I'm going to go over this as well, but I wanted to show it to you. There is a tab for recorded lessons. I've begun including Microsoft Stream links of every lesson. So I've done that so far, starting with lesson 2 or unit 2. So when you pull that up here, it links you to my page here that has basically a recording of me going through the actual lesson. And it's just another way for you to kind of be more like my teacher in class, my student in class, and less online. I just wanted to show you those two things. I'll go through those with you guys in the Zoom when I see you tomorrow and Wednesday. Your big deadline is tomorrow night, September 22nd. The unit test and the practice test and the unit test are due, and then I will be assigning a new set of assignments on Wednesday. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or if you have any issues at all with PLP, and thanks so much. Bye.